It's only after struggling do we achieve something. Right now, I'm struggling with critical thinking. I have learned about what is issue. This is basically what is the main question that everything is being guided toward. The statements, everything, right? What is the basic? What is the main question? Can also be stated as what is the issue, right? And what is conclusion? Conclusion is basically what the other person saying or writing wants us to believe about the entire what they have said, right? And reasons are basically those statements support conclusion, right? It gives validity to the conclusion and makes us more believable. Okay, this might be the reason. Okay, this is the evidence. Okay, this is the fact. Okay, this is the right reason. This and this is supporting that. Therefore, we must accept that conclusion in a way or not, right? And meaning are basically referring to dealing with ambiguous words which is clearly not understood and therefore an important part in understanding conclusion. The first three issue, conclusion, reason are basic steps in understanding and recognizing the aspect of aspect or just what the other person is trying to say. We are just trying to level it out easily. Locating words is trying to do extra step in confirming what we are trying to understand from other person is true. That's the only reason to locate ambiguous word, and it has on its own way. It has its own way, and that's it. And why do we follow such step? Why do we have to find out issue? Why do we have to people find conclusion? Why do we have to find reasons, right? And I think it's mainly because of philosophy of language, right? I don't know what it states, but I think it is quite similar to language is a medium of communication exchange, and through only that we can understand each other quite well, right? And because it because still it is and one of the uncertain things or being ambiguous or just like that, to better find out how to deal with it, there are these things and therefore you must follow this, and that's the way the westerners really have found some way, and I'm really liking it. Critical thinking, I think I will achieve it only in 6 months. I'm not going to expect that I'm going to achieve it in a week. I won't. I'm just going to expect I'm going to learn it basics, and I'm going to continue doing it with like AI or etc, right? That's my thing. That's what I am trying to do. I want to learn critical thinking and I'm doing it. Let's see what will happen. And the main thing is applying it in the scenario, right? I'm not doing that correctly. That's the thing. I think I should be doing that, and therefore I'll learn quite quickly about critical thinking. And to critical think is to have set of questions that you can ask and willing to ask and will answer about it. And that's basically critical thinking. Well, whatever. It's mainly about why you should or shouldn't believe certain belief also in overall sense, right? That's the thing. When broke down, it comes to issue, conclusion, and reasons, and even more broken down, it comes to words. And that's just how it is, and it will continue to be like that.